Check this.
Hello YouTube, my name is Eyime Edemudia. I am the CEO of bitcoinpikin.com. It's a blog where you can get to know more about cryptocurrency. Do you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency? Yeah, I will teach you how to trade cryptocurrency free. Not just teaching you, I will also do everything for you. If I have your understanding and acceptance, I can guide you also, as well as how to get started on cryptocurrency by yourself, as if you were doing it with a professional, or even better. Apart from that, you can get latest cryptocurrency news from this website, and you can also get latest hype reviews, different online opportunities where you can actually make money from Bitcoin, where you can actually make money from cryptocurrency. So in general, bitcoinpikin.com, it's all about the cryptocurrency industry coming from Nigeria. Do you want opportunities to make money online? Do you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency or mine cryptocurrency? Do you want other opportunities that will be given to you free? I mean free, yes. So please, if you want all of these, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit the red button on your screen so you can get information when they are released. Share this video with your friends. Follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. Like me on Facebook as well. This is our YouTube channel, bitcoinpikin.com. is on YouTube. Today I'm bringing you an informative news from the crypto space. Last year, December 27, 2017, I did a video on this YouTube channel on the price of Bitcoin prediction going to $1 million by the end of 2022. That prediction was done by John McAfee. So this is the video, and today there's a change on the price prediction of Bitcoin. But however, I want to make reference to the video of last year when I actually did it, and I made mention of John McAfee predicting Bitcoin price to go as high as $1 million by the end of 2020. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button over here to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Last year, 2017, John McAfee, the founder of McAfee Antivirus, actually made a prediction of Bitcoin going to as high as $1 million by the end of 2020. I'm sorry to say the prediction has changed. John McAfee, in a recent interview, changed its price prediction of Bitcoin by the year ending of 2020. So I'm bringing you this informative news so you could be informed of the price prediction of John McAfee's price for Bitcoin. Why are we concerned about John McAfee's price of Bitcoin? John McAfee, the founder of and the CEO of McAfee Antivirus, once predicted that Bitcoin would be high as $10,000 by the end of 2017. At the time of his prediction, the Bitcoin price was less than $1,000. And what do we see towards the end of 2017? We saw the price of Bitcoin going as high as $20,000. To be very precise, going as high as $19,800. Towards the end of 2017, to be very precise, December 17, 2017, we saw the price of Bitcoin going as high as $19,800. So John McAfee's prediction was right. Now, John McAfee also predicted that the price of Bitcoin will go as high as $1 million by the end of 2020. Now, in a recent interview he had some days ago, which was May 7th, 2018, John McAfee predicts the price of Bitcoin going as high as $5 million. John McAfee, Patrick Bet-David interviewed John McAfee, and John McAfee actually changed his prediction from $1 million to $5 million. Please, I want you to listen to this video, and as we continue, I'm going to leave down below on the description box, I'm going to leave a link to Patrick Bet-David's video, the interview.
Check this.
With John McAfee. So let's listen to this.
Is your number on the $1 million based on a math? And I know you're a math guy. I think you got a major in mathematics, right? I think you got a major in mathematics. And as somebody who's a math guy, and your brain is wired, everything is math. Did you come up with $1 million based on a formula, or did you come up with $1 million of assumption of what you think is going to take
I
place?
came at it two ways. I looked at the number of users, the user growth, and I chose $1 million because it has to be more than $1 million. I can guarantee it. Because it has to be more than $1 million. I can guarantee it. I came at it that way. It came up with maybe between 3 and 7 million. I came at it the mining way, okay, which I believe is a lot more valid. The last Bitcoin to be mined. Okay, there's 10,000 miners. Thank you, Jimmy. The difficulty rate for that last Bitcoin is going to be almost infinite. It's going to cost $4 to $5 billion to mine that last coin, and miners are going to $4 to $5 billion to mine that last coin, and miners are going to do it. The value of that coin has got to be more than the work put in to mine the fucker. So if it costs, let's say, even $1 billion, all right, so $1 billion, the last one. Why don't you work backwards from there and find out what the end of 2020 is going to be? So two ways come up with the same number. Between 5 million is probably the thing. 1 million, it's way 5 million is probably the thing. 1 million, it's way outside the lower range, so I'm very safe.
It's fascinating watching your level of conviction that you have in the product.
It's not a level of conviction. I look at reality.
It's fascinating watching your level of conviction that you have in the product.
It's not a level of conviction. I look at reality as objectively, not with what I wish it would be, but what it actually is.
John McAfee. So that was the interview of Patrick Bet-David with John McAfee, and you can hear John McAfee clearly stating that he's confident that Bitcoin will do $5 million by the end of 2020. It's actually relative to him. $1 million by the end of 2020, it's too low for him. So with this, I can say, if this is the same guy who actually predicted Bitcoin to be $10,000 when Bitcoin was less than $1,000, what do you think? What do you think? Please leave your comments on the comment box below. What do you think will be the price of Bitcoin at the end of 2018? What do you think will be the price of Bitcoin at the end of 2019? And what do you think will be the price of Bitcoin at the end of 2020? Please drop your comment on the comment box of this YouTube video. $20. I'm going to give out $20 to 5 subscribers of this YouTube channel who drop their comment on the comment box below the moment we hit 1,000 subscribers. So what do you need to do? Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Answer these questions on the comment box below. What do you think the price of Bitcoin will be by the end of 2018? What do you think the price of Bitcoin will be by the end of 2019? And finally, what do you think the price of Bitcoin will be by the end of 2020? Please, when you're dropping your comment, also drop your Bitcoin Cash wallet address as well. If you don't know how to open a Bitcoin Cash wallet address, please watch my video on how to open a Bitcoin Cash wallet address, or simply you can join me on my Telegram group where I teach people how to trade cryptocurrency free. Okay, so that's the price prediction of John McAfee. I see John McAfee as one of the big shots on the crypto space to actually hold on to his predictions, because not apart from the guy predicting Bitcoin $10,000 when it went as high as $19,000, is the guy that also puts his money where his word is. He's in backing cryptocurrency, and now he's launching his own fiat currency. John McAfee recently on his Twitter account said he was going to launch his McAfee notes, a McAfee promising note, which will be launched June 25th, 2018, a few days from now. And this McAfee note will be exchanged for FaceTime with John McAfee. Just as Patrick Bet-David had an interview with John McAfee, we saw where the price prediction price was changed from $1 million to $5 million. In fact, it was even $3 to $7 million he actually quoted. He just wants to guarantee us that the price of Bitcoin will get to as high as $5 million by the end of 2020. Okay, so this guy, John McAfee, some people might say he's crazy, but I think he's the guy that puts his money where his word is. He's coming out with a fiat currency called McAfee promising note. What he's about doing is the same thing the banking sectors are planning to do, or if not, they're already doing. the kind of fiat currency we use is a digital fiat currency, because you can actually deposit money in your account and do a transfer with your mobile phone to someone else in a different location. You can actually deposit money in your account, in your bank account in a particular location, and go somewhere else in another location and withdraw different money from there, and withdraw your money from another location. So the bank is digitalized. However, John McAfee has made his intention known that he will be launching his fiat currency McAfee promising note by June 25th, 2018, and this will be exchanged for FaceTime with him. Just as you saw Patrick Bet-David interview with him, it cost over $105,000 for you to have an interview face to face with John McAfee. So John McAfee has made this known on his Twitter account that yes, what he's saying is not a rumor. No rumor. The McAfee redemption unit is real and it's coming in 26 days. Okay, the graphic low regs don't want to give much away yet. Printed on currency paper, holographs on both sides, serialized, linked to the blockchain, redeemable, convertible, and collectible. So this is McAfee's promising note, as you can see. 341,000 of McAfee promising note has been printed, and if you want to redeem it, it's actually at a value of $9.95. If you want to redeem it. If you also want to get a FaceTime interview with John McAfee has said that at a particular location in Mexico between the hours of 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. For you who want to have an interview with him, you need to be there, where he is going to actually give you a new location, time, anywhere in the world. You can actually get to have an interview with him. Rather than spending $105,000 to actually get to meet with John McAfee, you can actually use John McAfee's promising note that is on the blockchain by token. So it's John McAfee fiat currency that's on the blockchain. So I see John McAfee is not just out there predicting Bitcoin to be $5 million. He's actually doing things. So once again, what do you think of this guy, John McAfee? However, what do you think about this guy, John McAfee? Do you think he's crazy? Do you think his price predictions are always right? Now he'll be launching his fiat currency on the blockchain by token, where you can actually have a FaceTime with him instead of paying $105,000 to actually see him. What do you think about his price prediction on Bitcoin? Please leave your comment on the comment box below. And remember my 3 questions. What do you think the price of Bitcoin will be by the end of 2018? What is your price prediction for Bitcoin at the end of 2019? And what is your price prediction for Bitcoin at the end of 2020? Please leave your Bitcoin Cash wallet address below. I'm going to give out $20 to 5 loyal subscribers by the time we hit 1,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel. So all you just need to do is to come to the YouTube channel and click on this subscribe button, so you can get more informative news from us. And as well, you can also learn how to trade cryptocurrency for free. All you need to do is to click on the Telegram group link, and that's all. Join my free cryptocurrency trading platform, where I'm going to teach you how to trade crypto. This platform is actually worth 100,000 naira. What I'm going to be teaching you is actually worth $300, but I'm giving you for free. So just join my private Telegram group link. So once again, leave your comment on the comment box below. I'm going to drop a link to Patrick Bet-David's interview with John McAfee. Thank you once more for watching this video. See you guys in my next video. Buy the deep, sell the high. Bye bye.